Okay, today, here to tell you about the basic tools of GeoGebra. First, you're going to go to geogebra.org/geometry. And it's going to come up with these wonderful tools on the left-hand side. It may say more tools underneath when you first get in, so you would click that to show it. So if you want to point, what's really awesome is if you click something, it gives you the directions underneath. So if I click point, it says select position or line, function, or curve. So it kind of shows you exactly what you can do with it. So if you just want to point on here, boom, there it is. Want another one? Boom, there it is. Say you want to connect those two with a segment. I hit segment, I come over, A, B, there it is. What if I wanted to do a little CD action? I could just hit one here, come over here, boom, there we go. If I wanted a line, so infinite in both directions, E, F, and you see how that line goes infinitely either way. What if you needed to make a polygon? So it says select all vertices, then first vertex again. So I could create, say, a triangle, 1, 2, 3, and then I need to go back to the beginning again. See how this H is kind of like stuck in the middle? If you want to move things at any point in time, you can come back to move, and you could slide that H out to the outside. You could take your triangle and move it all around. I could take my segment, move that where I want to. I could take this point E and move that. Circle with a center is also here. And again, see how it says select center point, then point on circle. So say I wanted to create a center of F, and then I could slide it out to anywhere on my line. I could slide it out here. So I'm just changing my radius and then having it be finished. What if I wanted this J to actually sit on the line? I'd come over to move, hit J, and slide it up onto the line. I could also change colors if I wanted. So say I wanted AB to be a different color. I would hit move, I'd hit my arrow tool, I'd click this, and then I could take this paint bucket, change it to green. I could change my line to be a lot thicker. I could make it dashed or dotted if I wanted. I could change my label. I could trash it, whatever you want to do. Last one for right now. If you come down to the circles menu, you're going to see this compass tool, and the directions are going to come up below. So when I hit compass, it says select segment or 2 points for the radius, then center point. So say I wanted to create a circle with a radius of the length of CD. I could click CD. Now I have this circle. And now I want to maybe make D my center point. So I come over and I click that. What if I wanted the same circle, but I wanted it to be centered on point C? I could either click CD again and center it on point C, or I could do 2 points now instead. So I could hit D, then C, and now I have this perfect circle, and I could click C as my center point to be finished. Okay, there you go. Basic tools that you will need to complete constructions.